This is a stylus. The Kindle Colorsoft does not support one, at all. This is the Kobo Libra Color. It has a color screen, physical page turn buttons, and it costs less than the Kindle. So let's find out if this is really Kindle Killer. Kobo uses same kind of recycled cardboard packaging as Amazon, so nothing surprising here. Inside the box, the Libra Color itself, a USB-C cable, and a short paper guide. My bundle also came with the Kobo Stylus too. I will show you what it does in a minute. Just like the Kindle, there is no power adapter here either. And this is where the Libra is completely different from the Kindle. Look at the shape. One side is much wider than other. That thick side is a grip. Your hand sits there naturally. And on this grip there are two physical buttons. I want to be clear about how much this matters. When you read for 2 hours, tapping the screen every minute gets tiring. And your fingers leave marks on the screen. With buttons, you just rest the thumb and press. Even better, you can rotate the device, and the screen rotates with it. So if you are left-handed, this works exactly same for you. The standard Kindle Colorsoft has no buttons. None. Now the screen. And here is a fact that surprised a lot of people. The Kindle Colorsoft, the Kobo Libra Color, and the Boox Go Color 7 all use the same E Ink Kaleido free panel, the same hardware. So why they do look different? Because each company tunes the front line and the software in its own way. Side by side, the Kindle light looks more neutral and more white. The Kobo light is warmer, more yellow. Which one is better is honestly personal taste. One warning though, screen quality on Libra Color is known to vary between individual units. Some reviewers got the bad one, and a good one later. If yours looks wrong, don't accept it, return it. Now the thing the Kindle simply cannot do. The Kobo Stylus 2 works directly on the screen. You can underline a sentence in color, you can write a note in margin, and you can open a full notebook and write pages by hand. I am not going to pretend this replaces a tablet. It is not fast and it's a small screen. But if you read non-fiction or study from books, this changes how you use the device. One important detail. Stylus 2 only works with the Libra Color and the Clara Color. It will not work on older Kobo models. Here is the second big difference. The Libra Color reads EPUB, PDF, MOBI, CBR and CBZ files. You plug it into your computer, drag the files across and they are there. No conversion, no email, no account needed. On a Kindle, side loading is possible, but Amazon make it much less pleasant. There is one more thing built directly into the Kobo software. Overdrive and Libby library borrowing. If your country supports it, you can borrow an ebook straight from the device. No computer at all. For a lot of readers, that single feature is the reason to choose Kobo. And like the Kindle, this is fully waterproof. IPX8, 2 meters of fresh water, 60 minutes in a lab test. So on waterproofing, this is a draw. So is this Kindle killer? Let me give you my honest version. The Kobo wins on buttons, it wins on file formats, it wins on stylus support, because the Kindle has none. And it usually costs less. The Kindle wins on the front line, which looks cleaner to my eyes, and it wins on ecosystem. if your whole book collection is already on Amazon, because that collection does not move. So the answer is not one word, depends where your books already are. And that is exactly what I am going to test properly in my full comparison video. Next up is the full setup guide for this device, including the best settings to change on day 1. And after that, all 3 color e-readers go head to head in one video. Links are on screen and in the description. Thanks for watching.